Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the camera and locking the composition. This prevents ghosting when you merge frames. You'll shoot a bracket of 3:7 exposures with AEB or by adjusting shutter speed manually. Choose a base ISO to minimize noise and an aperture that gives your desired depth of field. Once done, verify the highlights and shadows on the histogram and make small EV steps, typically 1 or 2 stops, so you capture the full dynamic range. Now you execute the mid-stage technique. Meter for highlights first so you don't clip, then ensure the darkest bracket retains shadow detail. You should shoot RAW to retain maximum latitude and use a remote or timer to avoid introducing motion blur between frames. Once captured, import the sequence into your HDR tool, enable auto-align to correct small shifts, and review tone mapping presets. They give you a starting point, but you'll refine sliders to finish by merging the aligned exposures and enabling deghosting to handle moving subjects. This prevents ghost artifacts. You then tone map, pull highlights down to recover detail, lift shadows to reveal texture, and selectively adjust midtones to keep a natural look. Make subtle changes to contrast and saturation so colors remain believable. Once satisfied, export a 16-bit TIFF for further edits or a high-quality JPG for delivery. And if issues persist, try smaller EV steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.